Welcome to Baruch Education, the channel that keeps you updated with current affairs and general knowledge. Science. Question 1. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct answer is option D, O negative. O negative blood has no antigens on its red blood cells, making it compatible with all blood groups for transfusion. Question 2. Which blood group is called the universal recipient? Correct answer is option C, AB positive. AB positive blood group can receive blood from all other blood types because it has no antibodies against A, B or Rh antigens. Question 3. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Correct answer is option C, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, unlike AIDS or malaria. Question 4. Which color of light has the highest wavelength? Correct answer is option A, red. The wavelength of red light is around 700 nanometer, which is longer than blue, which is about 475 nanometer, or violet, about 400 nanometer. Longer wavelength means lower frequency and energy. Question 5. Which law is used in designing hydraulic machines? Correct answer is option C, Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that pressure applied to a fluid in a closed container is transmitted equally in all directions, forming the basis of hydraulic lifts and brakes. Question 6. Which of the following is the lightest metal? Correct answer is option B, lithium. Lithium is the lightest metal with a density of about 0.534 gram per centimeter cube. It is also the least dense solid element. Question 7. Which of the following is known as quicklime? Correct answer is option C, CaO, that is calcium oxide. Correct answer is option C, CaO, that is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is called quicklime and is used in cement and steel industries. Geography. Question 8. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? Correct answer is option A, Finland. Finland is called the land of thousand lakes due to its over 1,80,000 lakes, which formed due to glacial activity during the Ice Age. Question 9. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Correct answer is option A, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question 10. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states of India? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram, but not through Odisha. Question 11. Which is the deepest point in the world's oceans? Correct answer is option B, Challenger Deep. The deepest point in the world's oceans is the Challenger Deep, located within the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. Question 12. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline among Indian states, stretching about 1,600 kilometers along the Arabian Sea? Polity. Question 13. Which constitutional amendment is known as the Mini Constitution? Correct answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment Act 1976 made significant changes to the Constitution, including the preamble and the power of Parliament, earning it the nickname Mini Constitution. Question 14. Which schedule of Indian Constitution contains the list of official languages? Correct answer is option B, 8th schedule. The 8th schedule lists 22 official languages of India, including Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, etc. Question 15. Which fundamental right is called the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Correct answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. Article 32, which gives the right to move to the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights, was termed the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 16. Which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of new states? Correct answer is option C, Article 3. Article 3 empowers Parliament to form new states, alter boundaries, or change names of existing states. Question 17. Which of the following was the first state created on a linguistic basis in India? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. In 1953, Andhra Pradesh was created as the first state on a linguistic basis, following the demand for a Telugu-speaking state. Economy. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of a capital market instrument? Correct answer is option C, bonds. Capital markets deal with long-term investments like bonds and shares, while money market instruments like treasury bills and commercial papers are short-term. Question 19. Which organization regulates the stock market in India? Correct answer is option B, SEBI. The Securities and Exchange Board of India regulates the securities and stock markets, ensuring investor protection and market transparency. Question 20. Which organization regulates insurance companies in India? Correct answer is option C, IRDAI. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is the regulatory body of the insurance sector. History. Question 21. Which ruler adopted the title Devanampriya Priyadarshi? Correct answer is option B, Ashoka. Emperor Ashoka of the Maurya dynasty used titles like Devanampriya, that is, beloved of the gods, and Priyadarshi, that is, one who looks with kindness, in his inscriptions. Question 22. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance system in India? Correct answer is option B, Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley introduced the subsidiary alliance in 1798 to bring Indian states under British control. Question 23. Who composed the national song Vande Mataram? Correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Vande Mataram in his novel Anand Mat in 1882. Question 24. Which Gupta ruler is known as Vikramaditya? Correct answer is option B, Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II of the Gupta dynasty assumed title Vikramaditya, known for his patronage of art and culture. Question 25. Which Governor General is associated with the abolition of sati? Correct answer is option B, Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck abolished the practice of sati in 1829 with the help of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Miscellaneous. Question 26. The study of earthquakes is called? Correct answer is option B, seismology. Seismology deals with the study of earthquakes and seismic waves. Question 27. Which day is observed as National Science Day in India? Correct answer is option A, 28th February. National Science Day is observed on 28th February to mark C.V. Raman's discovery of the Raman effect in 1928. Question 28. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Correct answer is option A, Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is regarded as the father of Indian space program due to his pioneering role in ISRO's establishment. Question 29. Which mineral is used in making cement? Correct answer is option A, gypsum. Gypsum is added to cement to control its setting time and enhance strength. Question 30. Which state is India's largest producer of wheat? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest wheat producing state, contributing around 35% of India's total production of wheat. Question asked in the second part was, who wrote the book Discovery of India? The answer to this question is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. The Discovery of India was written by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1944 during his imprisonment at Ahmednagar Fort. The book outlines India's rich cultural history, philosophy, and the struggle for independence. Question of the day is, the Golden Quadrilateral Highway Network connects which 4 cities? You can write your answer in the comment section. See you next time. Thank you for watching. To support this channel, like, share and subscribe.